Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and in this video I will talk about the S Pen latency. So this S Pen include with the tablet, okay? So it is an improved version of S Pen guys. This has a latency of 2.8 milliseconds. Okay, so I will test this S Pen on different apps. So guys, first of all I will try it for off screen memo. So I will turn off my screen, okay, and I press the S Pen button and I double tap on the screen, okay, like this, and then it will open the off screen memo, and here I will start writing. Okay, so you can see over here it is really smooth. So guys, you can see over here, so you can see how it is working. Okay, so the second test that I will do is related to converting handwriting into the text. So for example, I open any internet browser and I try to open some website. So I use my S Pen, I write with my handwriting on this URL bar. Okay, so I write here samsung.com. Okay, so you can see over here it converted my handwriting into the text. Simply I press this go button and then it will open the website for me. So this is really amazing. It is working perfectly fine on the handwriting to text option. The third test that I'm going to do is on the smart select option. So for example, I open some website, okay, and I use some portion of the website for the smart selection. So first of all, I use the smart select, I use the air command, I open the smart select from here, and then I select any part of this website, for example like this part. Okay, so now it is selected, as you can see over here. Now I try to write on it. I use this pen option from here, okay, and I try to write something. Okay, so you can see it is writing perfectly fine. Okay, you can see if I try to write little fast, you can see it is working really smooth and it feels like I'm writing on paper. Okay, so this is the third thing. Okay, the next test that I'm going to do is on the pen up drawing test. Again I use the air command and then I open the pen up. Okay, so this is the app that I already this app is already installed in this tablet. Okay, so first of all I will go over here and I select this option of drawing. Okay, so I select this drawing. Here you have you have a lot of tools available. Okay, so you can select any tool, for example like this tool. Okay, I try to use this, you can see over here, and then we have like this brush. Okay, you can see. Okay, and then for example I want to use this one. Okay, so you can see how it's working, and then like this pencil. Okay, and then if you want to remove, okay, so you can clear it, and then we have like this pencil. Okay, I change it. Okay, you can see you can write it. Okay, and then we have like this type. Okay, there are a lot of options that you can do. Okay, so for example like this one is like a highlighter. Okay, so you can see the pen is working perfectly fine. The next test that I'm going to do is you can do the screen recording and you can write on it as well. So screen recorder I turn on, start recording. Okay, so you can see it start recording my screen, and here you also have the pen option. So like this one you select and then you can write on screen recording. So you can see how it is writing. Okay, so the pen tip is really soft and I feel like I'm writing on paper. So guys, you can also edit your videos and you can write on your videos as well. So for example, I open a video. Okay, so let's say I open this video. Yeah, so now if you want to write on this video, you can also write. You just have to go here, three dots, select editor, and then it will give you the option. Okay, so select this icon over here, and then you have the pen option. Okay, like eraser option. You can do the live. Okay, and then I start writing. You have three different options, so I select this one with red color. You can change the thickness. Okay, so I start writing. You can see. Okay, so you can see over here, and then for example, if you want to change the thickness or you want to change the color, you can also do it. Okay, so this is how you can use this option. So for example, if your work is done, so if you want to check how does it look like, okay, so you can see it will look like this. Okay, so you can use your S Pen here as well, and you can check the S Pen latency in this area as well. The next thing that I will test is Samsung Notes, which is the most important application. Okay, and in Samsung Notes you have a lot of options. So I open a new page. Okay, so first option is related to the pens. You can see you have different pen and pencil and brush options. You can have the thickness option. Then you have these two options over here related to the thickness. Okay, then you have different colors option. Okay, so for example, I select this color, I select this thickness, and I try to write something. Okay, so you can see how does it work. I change the page. So it is best for students for making notes. Okay, I try to write little fast. So guys, this is really amazing. The pen is really soft. It feels like I'm writing on a paper, and it is catching up with the pen nib. It's really amazing. Okay, then we have the other options, like we have this highlighter option. So you see there are different highlighter option. You can use these highlighter. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so you can change the thickness of the highlighters like this. Okay, so you can see, so I try to be a little fast. Okay, amazing guys. So then we have the option of shapes. So you can create different shapes over here. So here is this is the shape icon, so you can create different shapes. Okay, so you can see it's really amazing. Okay, okay, so this is how you can create shapes. Okay, so this is really amazing. Then we have the handwriting to text option. So for example, if I write something and I want to convert it into the text. Okay, so you can see it converted into the text. Okay, I change the thickness. Okay, okay, so now you see it is giving a complete satisfaction for the writing. Okay, the next thing is you can also write on live messages. Okay, so I take out this air command option, and then we have the live messages option. So you can use the picture. Okay, you can use just a plain like this form. Okay, and then if you want to write something, okay, you can write. Okay, so start drawing. Okay, so you can create live messages. Okay, so you can see my pen. Okay, so once you're done, just press done, and it will show you how does it look like on your screen. Okay, so you can see over here. So guys, this tab S8 Plus also come with another note-taking app. Name of the app is Noteshelf. Okay, so you can try this S Pen latency on Noteshelf as well. So I open the Noteshelf, okay, and I try this one. Okay, so I open a new page. Okay, so you can see I will make it a little bigger like this, and then here we have the pen option. You can see there are different pens options. So for example, I select this one, I select this color, okay, and you can change the thickness, okay, and then I try to write something. So you can see, okay, so if you want you can also create different shapes over here. Okay, you can see different shapes. Okay, so if you want to write more for note taking, it is also good. So best for students. Okay, so this is how you see I check the latency. The other app that I will try this app, this S Pen, is on Clipstudio. So guys, Clipstudio is really important app for a digital artist. Okay, so they can create a different type of their digital art on this Clipstudio. So I open this Clipstudio. This Clipstudio is already installed in this tab S8 Plus. Okay, so you can select it, and once it's open, you see there are different tools option available. Okay, so I try to draw something like this one. Okay, like this. Okay, first I select. Okay, so you can see how does it look like. Okay, I can change the thickness as well. So for example, I select this pen. You see this one. Then we have the brush option. You see this one. So with this S Pen you can do a lot. So this is really good for digital artists as well. The other thing that I want to mention here is it does not need charging when you are writing with your S Pen, but for the air actions it needs charging, but for writing, for drawing, using it on the tablet, it does not need any charging. It has a very good battery life. Okay, the air gestures are amazing. So if you want to connect your tablet to your with your S Pen, so what you can do is on the back side there is like this special location for the S Pen. So you just put your pen like this. Okay, so this tip should be in this direction, to the camera direction. So once you attach it like this, you will see a notification, you will see an icon over here related to your S Pen charging and your S Pen connection status. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.